Okay guys, so previously I've done the trailer for Unit 2, or World 2, whatever you call it. So we're going to do 2-1. In this scenario, it's going to be solve two-step linear equations. Here we go! Ignore the middle, and let's learn with the example. S plus 5 over 2 is equal to 3. We're going to solve for S. To solve for a variable, use inverse operations. To undo the operations in the equation, be sure to do the same operation to both sides of the equations. So you would have to multiply both sides by 2, then simplify, and then subtract 5 from both sides, and then simplify again, and then you have S equals 1. Now that we have that out of our hands, let's focus on the real deal. Solve for t. Now we're going to be doing a little method called the old school method. So we have our equation right here, so I'm going to do like this. If we know that 3 times 4 is equal to 12, and then we would put t minus 5, it's called, like, from division it will become multiplication. It's stupid, but you'll have to bear with me. Okay, so it'll be a 12 right here. And then it would equal to t minus 5. So again, you would have to add 5 here, and then you have 17 is equal to t. It's ludicrous and discombobulating, but bear with me. So I'm going to say that it's 17. And let's check if that works, if it's correct or erroneous. Because if we can bring the negative 5 to this side, 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. So let's check if it's correct or erroneous. Let's go. Yeehaw! We know it worked! That's how I do it, guys. We hope you enjoyed. So we will see you on part 2. Au revoir! An idea here that's going to be keep on going as we study our new unit in Unit 2 is in our first lesson, solve two-step linear equations. Apart from that, this is our second part, which means it's our interim, so let's get to it. We're going to solve for n, given that n over 4 and n plus 7 equals 11. Now, what we can prove is that, since it's a plus 7 right here, minus 7 goes on the other side, so it will be n over 4 equals to 11 minus 7. So it will be n over 4, which is equal to 4. Now, how do we get n? Good question. If it's division on this side, it would be multiplication on this side. So it will be n is equal to 4 times 4. Or it will just be like this. 4 to the power of 2, which is the same, but exponents. So we'll just say that it is 16. So I'm going to say that it is 16. We're going to check if it's correct or erroneous. Yeehaw! Well, you know it worked! That's how I do it, guys. We hope you enjoyed. So we'll see you on part 3. Au revoir! Okay guys, so this is part 3, so let's finish this with all we've got. So we're going to solve for q. In this scenario, it's going to be 3q plus 1.1 is equal to 7.1. To get q, you would have to do like this. 3q is equal to 7.1 minus 1.1. In this scenario, it's going to be 3q, which is equal to 6.0. Again, 3q is equal to 6.0, or just 6. Anyway, moving on. To get q, it is equal to 6.0, or just 6, then divide by 3. You can do it with whole numbers or decimals. Anyway, either way, you get the whole number of 2. So I'm going to say that it's 2. So we're going to check if it's correct or erroneous. We're going to check if it's correct or erroneous. Let's go. Yeehaw! Well, I know it worked! Extraordinary! You have mastered the skill and earned a gold medal. Win more prizes, keep practicing. And yes, I have shown my work, and I hope that's enough to do it. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. We hope you enjoyed. So we'll see you on the next video. Au revoir!